4 out of every 10 working women lost their jobs in India's COVID 19 lockdown last year, whereas 3 out of 10 working men lost their jobs. This, when Indian women have already been steadily falling off the workforce from over 4 decades. The number of women in jobs declined sharply from 22.5% in 2011-12 to 18.6% in 2018-19. Higher literacy rates among girls and women, improvements in working conditions over the years has not managed to arrest this decline. Can public sector step in? Global studies now suggest that opening opportunities for women in public sector jobs is one way to get them back into the workforce. In India, the public sector provides the largest number of salaried jobs. Public sector employment are those jobs where the employee is hired by the central government and local bodies in administration, defense, health, education, social services, and promotion of economic growth. In India, around 30 million workers were employed in the public sector in 2017-18, of which a third or over 10 million were female workers. Their numbers dropped from 15 million in 2011-12. In 2011-12, women's engagement in the public sector increased in rural areas within the non-agriculture setup. It is estimated that currently there are over 7 million women working in the governmental care and healthcare sectors like integrated child development services, midday meals, and National Health Mission. But these women workers are poorly paid and unrecognized, which means they do not get benefits like timely salaries or wage revisions. The programs only recognize women as friends of the community who work on a voluntary basis. Their payment too is not in the form of regular salary. And this is a probable reason why higher number of men compared to women are counted as regular salaried workers in the public sector. The top 5 industrial categories in which female government workers are involved are education, social work activities without accommodation, human health activities, public administration and defense, civil engineering. Evidence also shows that women are more attracted towards public sector jobs because of status associated with the job. The family is more willing to accept and support fixed working hours, fixed salary, availability of social security benefits. Bringing more women in the public sector workforce will also help in bridging the gender wage gap and may even reduce the burden of their unpaid household work.